JEE Main 2024 MCQ. Here 8 number of cell with EMF 5 volt and internal resistance 0.2 ohm is given. Then what is the reading of this ideal voltmeter? Here positive terminal of one cell is connected with negative of other. So for 8 number of cells, net EMF of the system is 8 into EMF of one cell. So net EMF is 40 volt. Now apply Kirchhoff's law here. So 40 minus I. Number of cells are 8 and internal resistance of each cell is 0.2. So 40 minus I into 8 into 0.2 is 0. So I is equal to 25 ampere. Here current is originating from positive terminal of battery. So it is the discharging of a cell. So reading of voltmeter V is equal to EMF minus IR in discharging condition, where EMF of cell is 5, current in the cell is 25 and internal resistance is 0.2. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So reading of voltmeter is 0. Thank you.